Basically, Absent Power was set up with a mission to actually help customers go green. With rising pollution levels in the country, we thought that it's important for customers to adopt renewable energy resources. Since our inception, we've set up several megawatts of renewable energy, particularly solar, across geographies in India. As it has not only helped customers reduce their electricity costs, but it's also an endeavor for them to turn towards renewable energy sources and go green.
We are always looking at opportunities to make our business more sustainable, to develop a business for the future, and we have been exploring the possibility of going solar for a while now, and I think now the time is right to go in for solar powered. We are always looking for ideas to make our business more sustainable, and with solar I think this is the right time to take your business towards a more cleaner and greener source of energy. Absent Power is a great company to work with, very easy. These guys were able to understand our requirement perfectly and deliver a product which matched our expectations, and it's performing wonderfully well. We are very happy with the choice of partners that we made with Absent Power for this project.
Decided to go with solar basically to make the operation or the dealership more energy efficient and a greener operation. Of course, cost reduction was a major part of that decision as well. And when I spoke to Parag of Absent Power, so he was very helpful in making us understand permutations, combinations of how the whole system works and what we could do to make it more efficient, make it to lower the cost, to fit in the capital investment, and most of all to meet the quality standards, which has to be really high. You know, considering Mercedes, the standards of quality had to be really top notch. So all of that, coupled with the right fit and the right solution, I would say, for our requirements. Yeah, that's what Absent did for us. And we're happy we've cut down our electricity costs by almost 50%. The only complaint I have about Absent, or the only grievance I would say I have with Parag in this whole process is, he should have pushed me for this 2 years prior. I would have saved a lot of more money.